British Cleaning Council Chair criticises government's response to cleaning industry campaign. The leader of one of the UK's biggest industries has accused the government of being dismissive, arrogant and completely missing the point for continuing to disregard a campaign that would prioritise cleaning and hygiene in the national interest. The British Cleaning Council wrote to Rishi Sunak in early October 2023 in support of a report by the All-Party Parliamentary Group for the Cleaning and the Hygiene Industry. The report, Embedding Effective Hygiene for a Resilient UK, contains 11 recommendations which would see cleaning and hygiene embedded as a national priority. The measures would make the UK more resilient to current common infections such as flu and COVID variants and also better prepared for future public health emergencies. A reply from Health Minister Maria Caulfield was recently received by the BCC in response to its original letter to the PM. The reply said that steps are being taken by the Department of Health and Social Care, the UK HSA and the NHS to plan and prepare for a range of pandemic and emerging infectious disease scenarios. The letter said the UK had flexible and well-tested pandemic response capabilities and that the government was reviewing non-pharmaceutical interventions and guidance. BCC Chair Delia Canning said, "I'm extremely disappointed and frustrated by this dismissive and complacent response, which clearly shows the government has completely missed the point and failed to engage with this issue of national importance. We are calling for the UK to put cleaning and hygiene at the heart of the national agenda and to recognise the vital frontline role the sector's skilled and professional cleaning staff have in keeping people healthy, well and safe." For more on this story, read the full article in our cleaning, hygiene and washroom category.
Read more at TWinFM.com.